to my English Learning YouTube channel. I have already discussed degrees of comparison in my previous videos. Today the video will be about revision of degrees of comparison. That means I have already discussed all the rules of degrees of comparison. Today I'll write some sentences on the board and which I will practice here to make you understand the chapter very well. Okay, so this will be revision for the chapter degrees of comparison. So here I am writing some sentences. Okay, I'll write some sentences here for our practice so that any doubt regarding the chapter of degrees of comparison should be cleared, will be cleared. Okay, now I am writing he cannot write as fast as I. Okay, this is a sentence of positive degree. This is PD I am writing here. Now I am writing the second sentence. This book is more interesting than that book. Okay, this is a sentence of comparative degree, so it is CD here. Again, he is the best cricketer in the team. So this is a sentence of superlative degree. So here I am writing as the. Again, this is one of the best colleges of the northeast. This is also a sentence of superlative degree. Again, no other subject is as easy as Hindi. No other subject is as easy as Hindi. So this is a sentence of positive degree. So here I have written PD. Number 6. The cow is more useful than any other animal. This is a sentence of comparative degree. So here I am writing CD. Like very few persons in the village are as tall as he. So this is a sentence of positive degree. So here I am writing PD. Again, I am writing Rahul is more popular than most of the politicians than most of the politicians in India. in India. So this is a sentence of comparative degree. So here I have written 8 sentences which we will practice here one by one regarding the change of degrees. Okay. So the first one, he cannot write as fast as I. This is a sentence of positive degree, and if we want to change into comparative degree, that means this sentence can only be transformed into comparative degree. It can never be changed into superlative because the comparison here is limited between two persons only, that is he and I. So it will be like this. I will come at the start or beginning of the sentence. So it will be he cannot write as fast as I. That means I can write faster than he. Okay, I can write faster than he. So this will be the answer of the first sentence. I can write faster. It will be faster. Okay, in comparative degree, I can write faster than he. So please always remember that after as and then we always use the subject form of the pronoun. So remember it, never use the object form of the pronoun after then or as. Okay, so that is why here I have written he cannot write as fast as I, not me. Like this, I can write faster than he, not him, then not him. Okay, I can write faster than he. So this is the sentence of comparative degree. So it will be CD. Again, we come to the second sentence, which is written as this book is more interesting than that book. So this is a sentence of comparative degree, and here the comparison is limited between the two subjects only. One is this book, another is that book. So that book will come to the first or at the beginning of the sentence. So it will be that book. It must be written in positive. That book. Here not is not present here. That is why we have to write not here. That book is not as. We may write also in negative sentence. We may write so also. Okay. That book is not as or so interesting. Okay. More will be removed because it is the sign of comparative degree. Okay, so that book is not as or so interesting as this book. Okay, as this book. This is the sentence of positive degree. Now we come to the third sentence. Here it is written here, he is the best cricketer in the team. He is the best cricketer in the team. So we can change this sentence both in positive and comparative also, because it is already in the superlative degree. Okay, in comparative sentence we have to start with the same subject which has already been started. Okay, so we will start the sentence with he is better than any other cricketer in the team. So it will be the comparative degree of this sentence. He is better than any other cricketer. He is better than any other cricketer in the team. Okay. So it will be a sentence of comparative degree. He is better than any other cricketer in the team. Again, we can write it in positive degree also. When we write it with the in positive degree, then we have to start this sentence with no other. Okay, no other boy in the team. No other boy in the team is as good as he. So it will be a sentence of positive degree. Now we come to the fourth sentence. Here this is written, this is one of the best colleges of the Northeast. This is one of the best colleges of the Northeast. So this is a sentence of superlative degree, but it is not like the superlative degree that we have already written on the board. It is a little different from that sentence because it is not the best colleges but one of the best colleges. So that is why we have to start or we have to write in comparative that not than any other, but we have to write most of the colleges. Okay, so this is better than most of the colleges in the Northeast. Okay, or implies this is better than most of the colleges in the Northeast. Okay, so this will be the comparative degree of the sentence. Here we have brought then most of the colleges because there is one of the best colleges. That is why we cannot write this is better than any other college. Okay, this is the difference and we have to remember it and notice it. Okay, otherwise we will be confused and the answer will be incorrect in the examination. So again, for implies we may write it in positive also. When we write it in positive, then we have to start with very few. Okay, like this, very few colleges in the Northeast are as good as this college. Okay, very few colleges in the Northeast. Okay, in the Northeast are as good as this. As this means as this college. Okay, so this is the sentence of positive degree. Very few colleges in the Northeast are as good as this college or as this. Okay, now we come to sentence number 5. Okay, here no other subject is as easy as Hindi. So we may say Hindi is the easiest subject. It is in the superlative degree. Okay, no other subject is as easy as Hindi. That means Hindi is the easiest subject. So 5 implies Hindi is the easiest subject. Okay, easiest subject. Now we can write it in comparative also. So then we have to write Hindi is easier than any other subject. Okay, Hindi is the easiest subject. Okay, now we can write Hindi is easier than any other subject. Hindi is, this is in superlative degree. We can say Hindi is the easiest subject of all. That means Hindi. Now we can write Hindi is easier than any other subject. So it will be in comparative degree. Okay, CD. Here I have written CD for comparative degree. Now this number 5 is finished. Now we come to number 6. The cow is more useful than any other animal. So we can say the cow is the most useful animal. Okay. Number 6 implies the cow is the most useful animal. Most useful animal. Again, we may write it in positive degree. Okay, this is the superlative degree as the. Now we can write it in positive also. No other animal is as useful as the cow. 6 implies no other animal is as useful as the cow. So it will be positive degree. Again, we come to number 7. Very few persons in the village are as tall as he. So here it is a sentence which should not be written in this rule because here the sentence has been started with very few. So it will be like this in superlative degree, that we have to use one of the. Okay, so here we have to write he is one of the tallest persons in the village. Okay, 7 implies he is one of the tallest persons in the village. Okay, so it will be in superlative degree. So I hope you are getting my point. This is the revision of degrees of comparison. We have already uploaded 3 videos regarding this chapter. This will be the 4th number video, which is being discussed as revision of degrees of comparison. So 7 implies, we can write it in comparative degree also, but here it will be he is taller than most of the persons in the village. He is taller than most of the persons in the village. Okay, this is comparative degree. Again, the last number 8, Rahul is more popular than most of the politicians in India. So this is a sentence of comparative degree only, and we have to change it into both positive and superlative. So in superlative it will be, as here it is written most of the politicians, that means he is not the most popular politician. That is why we have to write one of the most popular politicians in India. That is why we have to write Rahul. 8 implies Rahul is one of the most popular politicians in India. Okay, Rahul is one of the most popular politicians in India. So this is superlative degree as the. Now the last, we have to write it in positive degree. Here we have to use we have to start the sentence with very few. Okay, with very few politicians in India are as popular as Rahul. Okay, very few politicians in India are as popular as Rahul. So I hope all of you have already understood what I have already discussed as revision of degrees of comparison. So I want to finish this chapter here today. Thank you for watching my videos. So I hope you will view or watch the videos more and more, so that your conception becomes clear, and I get always inspired by your views and watching time. Okay, thank you.